Hello, this is Mary with All Things Automotive, bringing you here today 2022 Ford F-250 Super Duty XL. This vehicle features a 7.3-liter V8 gasoline engine with four-wheel drive. There have been no accidents or damages reported to CARFAX, and this is a CARFAX certified one-owner vehicle as well. As we get closer here to the front of this crew pickup, you'll be able to see that it is a sleek metallic antimatter blue with chrome and black accents, as you'll be able to see there on the front grille as well as down around those tow hooks. We'll come here to the side of this vehicle and take a look at its tires and wheels. This vehicle features black 20-inch TIS off-road wheels, and as for the tire treads, you have got a significant amount of life left in those, but I'll get to those exact measurements here in just a second, as this vehicle, along with all other vehicles here at All Things Automotive, has undergone a new multi-point inspection, as well as received a fresh oil change, a new cabin air filter, and a new engine air filter. So you don't need to worry about replacing any of those anytime soon. Now, as you'll be able to see here on this vehicle, the wheels do extend beyond the fender a good bit. This vehicle does have an up-to-date inspection all the way through July of 2025, but it may not pass future inspections because of this. If that's ever a problem, the customizer does recommend using a stock wheel package. With that out of the way, we'll continue around with the vehicle tour, starting here at the mirror caps. As you'll be able to see here, you do have your turn signal indicators integrated into those, and on the insides on the mirrors, you'll be able to see that these mirrors are heated, which will help to prevent them from fogging up, as well as to help de-ice them in inclement weather. And all along the bottom of the cab, you do have black running boards to help you get in and out with ease. We'll now take a look here to the inside of this pickup. Here on the inside of this vehicle, you do have a lovely medium gray upholstery on these seats for a nice and easy cleanup after any spills or messes. And like I had mentioned earlier, you do have those chrome and black accents making their way up the dashboard. While we're looking over here, I'll just open up the glove box and bring you the results of that multi-point inspection that I was talking about. And as you'll be able to see here on this inspection sheet, you do have green checks the entire way around. And as for your tire treads, you have 14 30-seconds in both your front tires. And as for your rear tires, you have 16 30-seconds in both of those. And as for your brake pads, you have 16 30-seconds in the front and 11 30-seconds in the rear. So you have a long ways to go before you need to replace any of those. We'll now continue around to take a look here at the rear occupant seating. As you'll be able to see back here, you can sit 3 people in the rear occupant seating, and that middle seat does fold up, so this pickup can seat a total of 6 people. And for these rear occupants, you do have a power outlet back here for the mobile devices, as well as fold-out cup holders. And down on the floor, you do have all-weather floor liners to help keep your floors nice and clean. Over here on the door, all the doors do have several storage spaces in them, as well as powered windows. I'll just close that door, and we'll continue around and take a look here at the rear of this pickup. As you'll be able to see back here, you do have a pre-installed tow bar, as well as both a 4- and 7-pin connector for a trailer hitch hookup, and you also have a spare tire behind it if you're ever in a pinch. You also have a backup camera to help you whenever you're parking or going in reverse. I'll just open up the tailgate, and as you'll be able to see back here, this crew pickup has a ton of space in the bed. That bed is over 8 feet, so you've got plenty of space to haul some really large loads. You also have a spray and bedliner to help protect the bed against any nicks or scratches the loads you put in here might give it. I'll just close that tailgate back up, and we'll continue around here to the driver's side. I would like to mention that with the purchase of this vehicle, you do get 2 keys for your convenience and to help prevent you from ever getting locked out. This pickup does have powered mirrors, powered windows, and powered door locks. And as for the driver's seat, you do have 6-way manual seating adjustments, meaning you can move the seat forwards, backwards, tilting the seat forward and back, and then 2-directional lumbar support. You also have a telescopic steering wheel, meaning you can move it in and out as well as up and down to fit you as you like. And to the left of that steering wheel is just your bed light controls, dashboard backlight controls, and your headlight controls. I'll now just get inside this pickup and turn it on for you. This vehicle does use its key to start as opposed to a push to start. Now that the engine is running and the dashboard's lit up, you'll be able to see that this vehicle has about 41,558 miles on it. We'll take our attention over here to the left side of the steering wheel, as over here are your dashboard navigation buttons, so with these you can cycle through all the different information and services this vehicle provides to you up there. Beneath those dashboard navigation buttons, you also have your cruise controls, and then on the right side of the steering wheel, you do have your volume controls, as well as your call and Bluetooth controls, as this vehicle does have hands-free Bluetooth. We'll now take a look here to the center of this vehicle. Here in the center of the vehicle, you do have a lovely display with controls for it to the left and right side of it, and I'll just throw it in reverse to show you that backup camera in action. Right above that center display, you do have your electronic stability mode toggle, which just helps to prevent skidding and sliding. And a bit farther down, you'll be able to see you do have controls for your display, your climate controls beneath that. A bit farther down, you do have a USB charging port, as well as a power outlet in a small space for something like your phone, 2 cup holders, and then your main storage compartment behind it. And like I mentioned earlier, this does fold up to become that additional 6th seat. Lastly, we'll take a look up, as this vehicle does have a power sliding rear window to really enjoy those sunny summer days. We'll now move on here to the last section of this video. Here in the last section of this video, we do want to address that this vehicle is pre-owned, so we'll be looking around for any blemishes, nicks, or stains. We know a lot of our customers come from very far away, and we want the purchasing process to be transparent and straightforward. We want you to know what you're getting with the purchase of this vehicle, imperfections and all. So as I'm looking around the inside of this pickup, there is nothing that is standing out to me. There are no odors or scents whatsoever, so we'll take a look here now to the outside of it. Again, we'll be looking up and down for any of those imperfections, starting by coming along here to the front. And here along the front of this pickup, you do have a few small nicks and faint scuffs, most likely from stone chips. Stone chipping is extremely common. Almost every vehicle has some form of it. The only way you can really prevent it is just by not driving your vehicle. This pickup does have comparatively very few from what I usually see coming through our dealership. And we'll come along here now to the passenger side. A few small nicks behind that wheel. A scuff there. And a small nick there. This vehicle is a darker color, so it does tend to hide a little more than a lighter color might. We'll come along here now to the rear of this pickup. Now often where I do tend to see several imperfections is on the top of the tailgate, as people don't take care of putting items in and taking items out. And that does seem to be the case for this pickup. You do have several small nicks going all along the top of that. And as for the spray and bedliner, it seems to be in excellent condition, especially compared to what we usually see coming through our dealership. We'll come along here now, back around to the driver's side. Some scuffs near the top of the driver's side of the bed. Small nick there. And we are back to where we started. That generally concludes this video vehicle tour. This vehicle has a lot of great features to offer. If you're interested in a blue crew pickup with the ability to seat 6, a lot of space in that bed with a spray and bedliner, backup camera, pre-installed tow bar, a spare tire, TIS off-road wheels, black running boards, all other floor liners, 2 keys, heated mirrors, hands-free Bluetooth, a rear power sliding window, and 4-wheel drive, this is a good option for you. If you're interested in this vehicle, come and check it out at All Things Automotive, located at 21518 Great Cove Road, McConnellsburg, PA. Or you can give us a call at 717-485-4224. You can also check out this crew pickup and other listings on our website at www.allthingsautomotive.com. Thank you for watching this video, and have a great day!